Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with Sapphire, the stone of wisdom. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author. My book, Crystal Wisdom: Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, is now available, and if you're interested in reading that, how to use crystals and gemstones in your everyday life, then I'll put a link to that in the description box below and in the eye above. And I combine these skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your daily life. And today we're going to learn how you can do that with Sapphire, the stone of wisdom. Sapphire is the birthstone for those born in the month of September. It's an incredibly beautiful deep blue stone, and you can often find it in jewelry. But you can also find tumble quality and rough quality sapphire that you can hold in your meditations. But you don't need a tumble piece. You can work with the jewelry that you have to support you in everyday life situations. Sapphire is the stone of wisdom. And the first benefit of working with Sapphire is that it supports learning. This is a gemstone that really helps in learning environments. If you're a student, if you're a professional studying for a certification, if you are learning a new hobby, a new talent or skill, sitting with Sapphire will help you tap into a focused mindset that will allow you to absorb that information. It helps you not only focus on the reading or the listening to the information, but to be able to absorb and understand what you read. So this is a great stone to help translate learning knowledge into tests or practical life skills. So if you're a student and you find it really difficult to sit down to study, do your homework, or if you are a professional and you find it hard to carve out time to sit and study for that certification, then having Sapphire will help you get into the right frame of mind to study. It also helps with multitasking if you have multiple topics to study. Sapphire helps you move from one topic to the other and to be able to get through all of the work that you need done. The second benefit of working with Sapphire is that it connects your intellect to your inner wisdom. This is a gemstone that brings both discernment and intuition into incorporating knowledge and wisdom into your life. This helps you take that intellectual learning and figure out how you can incorporate it into your life to further your highest good, to help lift up the energy of your community, and to help realize your spiritual goals. This is an excellent stone to have with you if you are struggling with an opinion or a really controversial topic. It helps you take in the facts about the situation and then also tap into your intuition to see if this information feels true to you or if you need to do more research. This stone really helps balance the mind and the intuition to help you come to the truth. The third benefit of working with Sapphire is that it helps in making decisions. Sapphire enables you to bring your intellectual learning, your expertise, and your personal wisdom into the act of making a decision. It allows you to see all of the options that are available to you and the pros and cons of each one. It allows you to weigh all of your options with your highest good, the highest good of your family, your community, to help you make a wise decision about what you should pursue. If you're having trouble making a decision, sit in meditation with Sapphire and the choice that you need to make. Tap into your inner wisdom and let it allow you to reflect on your options. See which one that you're drawn to the most. See which one will benefit you and your highest good the most. And it will help you commit to that choice. The fourth benefit of working with Sapphire is that it inspires teaching and the sharing of your knowledge. So this is a gemstone that helps you not only take in knowledge, figure out how to use it in your life, how to apply it in your professional career, in real life situations, but this is a gemstone that also helps cultivate the act of sharing your knowledge with others. So if you're a teacher or a mentor, this is an excellent gemstone to wear with you in class, with meetings with your students or your mentees. It helps you provide wise guidance and to share the knowledge that you have accumulated in this life with others. It helps you translate your intellectual knowledge and your inner knowing into a message that is easy for your students to understand and apply. Sapphire is an excellent stone to help you explore the world of knowledge and learning, of reflecting on what you take in, and with sharing all of that expertise and knowledge with others. Thank you so much for joining me today to discuss how Sapphire, the stone of wisdom, can help you in everyday life situations. If you do think this is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then in 2 days I'll be posting a guided meditation with Sapphire. And you don't need a piece of the gemstone to benefit from the guided meditation. But if anything that you've heard in this video, or if any of the prompts in the guided meditations really speak to you, or they trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some Sapphire and work with it some more. If you are brand new to my channel and you want to learn how a wide variety of gemstones can help you initiate change and transformation in everyday life situations, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.